Hello, good morning. I am Praveen Kumar from Mechanical Engineering. My topic is auto transformer. First, we have to know what are transformers. A transformer is a static device which is used to convert high alternating voltage to a low alternating voltage and vice versa, keeping the frequency of same. It is a figure with principle of operation. Transformer works on the principle of mutual induction of two coils. When current in the primary coil is changed, the flux linked to the secondary coil also changes. Consequently, an EMF is induced to the secondary coil. Here the figure is given. Types of transformers: auto transformer, polyphase transformer, leakage transformer, resonant transformer, instrument transformers. Here there are some transformers given figures. Auto transformers. An auto transformer, sometimes called auto step down transformer, is an electrical transformer with only one winding in an auto transformer. Portions of the same winding act as both the primary and secondary sides of the transformer. Input output. Theory of auto transformer: N1 equal to primary turn, N2 is equal to secondary turn, I1 is equal to primary current, I2 is equal to secondary current, P1 is equal to primary voltage, V2 is equal to secondary voltage. From figure, V2 by V1 minus V2 equal to N2 by N1 minus N2. V2 of N1 minus N2 equal to N2 of V1 minus V2. V2 N1 minus V2 N2 equal to N2 V1 minus N2 V2. Where V2 N1 equal to N2 V1. V2 by V1 equal to N2 by N1 equal to K. V2 by V1 equal to I1 by I2. V1 I1 equal to V2 I2. Output: the primary and secondary windings of an auto transformer are connected magnetically as well as electrically. So the power transformed primary to secondary inductively as well as conductively. Out apparent power V2 I2. Apparent power transformed inductively V2 of I2 minus I1 equal to V2 of I2 minus K I2. V2 I2 of I minus K equal to V1 I2 I minus K. Power transferred inductively equal to input of X 1 minus K. Power transferred conductively input of 1 minus K, input of 1 minus I minus of I minus K, K into input. Types of auto: step up auto transformer, step down auto transformer. Step up auto transformer. An auto transformer is which Ns is greater than less than Np equal step up transformer. A step up transformer is a transformer which converts low alternating voltage to high alternating voltage. It is a step up auto transformer figure, and this is step down auto transformer figure. An auto transformer is which Np is greater than Ns is called step down auto transformer. A step down auto transformer is a transformer which converts high alternating voltage to low alternating voltage. It is a step down auto transformer. Advantages of auto transformers. These are the advantages of auto transformers. An auto transformer requires less Cu than two winding transformer of similar rating. An auto transformer operates at a higher efficiency than a two winding transformer of similar rating. An auto transformer has better voltage regulation than a two winding transformer of the same rating. An auto transformer has smaller size than a two winding transformer of the same rating. An auto transformer requires smaller exciting current than a two winding transformer of the same rating. These are the disadvantages of auto transformers. There is a direct connection between the primary and secondary, therefore the output is no longer DC is isolated from the input. An auto transformer is not safe for stepping down at a high voltage to a low voltage. If an open circuit develops in the common portion of the winding, then full primary voltage will appear across the load. In such a case, any one coming in contact with secondary is subject to high voltage. The short circuit current is much larger than for the two winding transformer of the same rating, so that the short circuit secondary part of the primary also to be shorted. This reduces the effect, resistance and reactance. Thank you.